Mitchell nicotine via delivery. And today I want to share some data with you on theft-related losses. More specifically, I want to compare theft-related losses for home delivery versus those that are coming to pickup locations. And intuitively, we kind of always knew the answer, right? It's more safe to ship something to a pickup location since there is the ID verification for every single pickup and packages would not be stolen by porch pirates, etc. But up to this moment, we never analyzed this data in details. And we were actually receiving a lot of questions, specifically from retailers with high value items. What happens if a package disappears in one of those pickup locations? And more importantly, how often does it happen? So with our current customers, we were able to run some data to answer this question. And I just wanted to share this data with you today. So basically, we analyzed about 300,000 packages that were shipped across the United States, all 50 states, etc. And we checked those packages that were going to home delivery, and we also checked levels of loss and replacement for packages that were going to pickup locations. So for home delivery, this level was about 0.85%, meaning about 1% of packages were lost and required some replacement. That was a additional cost for given retailers. That is pretty standard for the industry, and you can kind of avoid it by adding signature requirements, but then signature brings some other problems like multiple delivery attempts, customers not at home, and then you have a higher level of returning packages going back to your distribution centers. So that's not always a perfect solution, as well as, well, signature is expensive, right, for the most carriers. But for the same period of time, right, about 15% of customers selected pickup locations, right? And we, using this subset of customers and subset of packages, we compared losses, replacement for this segment. And it turned out that if in case of home delivery, there was about 0.85% of packages being lost, for pickup, only 0.08% of packages required some attention. They were lost, they needed replacement, etc., etc. So effectively, we saw that pickup locations were almost 10 times more secure comparing to home delivery. And that by utilizing pickup location for this given segment of packages, you can reduce your levels of theft-related losses by about 90%, which is, we believe, huge. And that's, again, super important for those retailers who have high value items. So that's it for today. Exciting data from our side. Thank you so much, and see you next time.